Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are on a series of the 2022-2023 West African examination, and we are looking at the theory parts. Today, we want to look at question 5. For other questions that I've solved, you can check my channel for the videos. And today, we are looking at this question, which says a boy stands at a point M on the horizontal level as the foot T of a vertical building. He observed an object on the top P of the building on an angle of elevation of 66 degrees. He moved directly backward to a new point C and observed the same object at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. If MT is 50 meters, A. Illustrate the information in a diagram. B. Calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the building. 2. MC. Now the first thing we have to do is to illustrate this question in a diagram. So let us take our ruler and let us do justice to that. Now let us assume that the boy is standing on this point. So the boy is standing here, and this is where the building is located. Now let us bring the boy and the building together. Now the question says, and he observed an object at the top of the building on an angle of elevation of 60. Now he observed, let's take our ruler, while remember this is where the boy stands. The boy is standing here, so and he looks up. So if he looks up, definitely our ruler must faces up. So from that point, he looks up to the object on the building. Remember, the building is somewhere here. So if he looks up, he's looking at the object on the building here. Now this is said this place is 66 degree. 66 degree. Now he moves directly backward. That means this is where he was standing before. They now said he moved backward. Let's take our ruler back to this position. Now they said he moved backward. This was where he was standing before. So he now moved backward a bit. And he now he moved directly backward to point C and observe the same object. The question says the same object. So if he looks up from this direction, let's bring our ruler to this point. We need to be specific. So, and the question now says it looks up. So, and to the same object. So, and they said, let's take our ruler, and they said this is 53. 53 degree. So let us give the building its own construction, its own drawing. This is the building. Now let us do the labeling properly. They said this is point C. So this is the top of the building, which is point P. They say this is point M, and they gave us this place to be T. So the question says this is MT is 50. That is 50 meters. Remember, this is 53 degrees. So we've been able to illustrate in form of diagram what the question is all about. So the question now says B1, that is calculate correct to one decimal place the height of the building. So this is the building, the height. So for us to calculate this, remember this is a right angle triangle, and this is the angle that is, this is the line that is opposite the angle. So remember from SOHCAHTOA, that is sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan equals opposite over hypotenuse. So this is opposite and this is the adjacent, so we are going to use tan. So tan 66 degree equals, let us call this h, because that is the height of the building, h all over 50. So if we cross multiply, h equals 50 multiplied by tan 66 degree. So if you press your calculator or you use your 4-figure table or mathematical table, whichever you call it, multiply. So tan 66 gives me 2.2460. So by the time you multiply, your h equals 112.3 meters. So what we have here is 112.3 meters. So the second question says B2, and that is B Roman figure 2. It says we should calculate for MC. Now, for us to calculate MC, we cannot calculate MC in isolation with this kind of problem. We have to calculate what is here, and look at the angle that we have here. It is the one that is facing, so we can still use tan to solve this, and that will give us tan 53 degree equals, our opposite is now 112.3 all over. Now the adjacent here is now MC plus 50. So if we cross multiply, that will give us MC plus 50 all in brackets multiplied by tan 53 equals 112.3. So MC plus 50 equals 112.3 all over tan 53. So MC plus 50 equals 112.3. So tan 53 gives me 1.3270. Now if you do the division, MC plus 50 equals 84.627. So from here, MC equals 84.627 minus 50. So MC equals, sorry, this is 627, equals 34.627. So to one decimal place, MC equals 34.6 meters. So this is 34.6 meters. This is meters as well. So that is that about a question. So if you have any question, any query, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Until I see you next time, please be good.